race car. What we doing? We going fast or we going slow? What we doing? We're gonna go fast? Windows up or windows down? You want them up or you want to roll it down? Down? Okay. I'll roll your window down. Oh, yeah. Which one? You want me to roll mine down too?
Yeah.
All right. I'll roll them down. So look, we're going to take it out. Try to hit second gear. We're going to get busy. You ready? You ready? All right, let's go. A lot of wind back there. How was that? Bless you. Yeah. Want to hear your song?
No.
Yup. I'm finna turn it on. Five. All right, so everybody say bye-bye. You gotta wave.